Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the front glass digitizer touch screen with a home button for iPad 9th generation. So I got this at eBay for $13.99, free shipping plus tax. So the total damage is $15.21. So yeah, anyway, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys a black digital display. Digitizer. Oh, so it comes with the glue. Also come with a tool set. Oh my god, the sellers put a staple in here. Not supposed to staple it. What does the impact's gonna crack it? It is made in China. So this one comes with the home button. And right here is the connector for the home button. And this connector is for the digitizer. They also have a double-sided tape, but normally the tape is not too strong. That's why they give you this extra glue. So you need to peel out this screen protector on the inner side. And also on the outer side. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. It's gonna be a hassle to remove the iPad 9th generation because the glue is very sticky on the original one. So we'll see about that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always. Peace.